Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing GlobalRose fresh cut red roses, a stunning bouquet of 50 real flowers delivered in 2 bundles of 25. These roses are harvested fresh in bud form and shipped directly from the farm to your door to ensure maximum freshness. Once placed in water, the buds will fully bloom within 2 days, offering vibrant beauty that lasts longer. Perfect for special occasions like Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, bridal showers, or simply to brighten your home decor. These farm-fresh roses bring natural elegance and a heartfelt touch to any setting. Enjoy the luxury of longer-lasting, fresh flowers that truly impress. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.